Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The US MBA mortgage applications will be released at 11 GMT. The US 5-year note auction at 17 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 0:30 GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment will be released at 23:50 GMT. The Eurozone's construction output at 9 GMT. The Eurozone's trade balance at 9 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Gold extended its record run, reaching $3,500 per ounce, as weakness in the dollar, US President Donald Trump's attacks on the Federal Reserve, and trade war fears boosted demand for the safe haven asset. Oil prices settled more than $1 per barrel higher as new US sanctions against Iran and raising equity markets helped spark a recovery rally from the prior session's steep sell-off. US-based Bitcoin exchange-traded funds had their largest day of net inflows since late January, as crypto markets remained buoyant over the Easter weekend. The 11 Bitcoin tracking funds saw a joint net inflow of $381.3 million on April the 21st, the largest since January the 30th.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
The dollar gained 0.4% against the yen in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 4% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair dove 1.8% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. After a 1.1% dip during the last session, the oil-dollar pair closed with a 0.7% gain. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.